morning everyone. Welcome to another class of NCERT solutions. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the 10th chapter of class 8, that is visualizing solid shapes. Okay. So before we get on the exercises and all the concepts in the book, I need to show you some figures which I brought for you. Okay. Before that, please comment if everything is audible and visible. Audio, video, सब कुछ clear है. Please comment, students. So this chapter is all about shapes. Okay. So I have bought some shapes for you. And okay. See, first of all, we have a shape named as pyramid. This is a pyramid, right? All of you know that this is a pyramid. So it is something like this. Okay. So there is a triangular face in the front view, and there are again triangles in all the views. Yes. And at the base there is one triangle. Understood? So three triangles are inclined in such a way that they make a base of triangle here also. Is it visible, student? Please comment if there is any problem with the visibility. So there are three triangles inclined in such a way that they make a triangle at the base. So the bottom view is a triangle. Or we can say top view, because top view also you will see a triangle only, right? This way or this way, both the way it will be a triangle only. Understood? So this is bottom view, top view, and this is bottom view. So both the views are triangle. Understood, everyone? So there are three triangles inclined in such a way that they make a base at the base of triangle. So this is called pyramid. Understood? Now another shape we have is prism. I think most of you have learned in science that what is prism, right? So this is prism. So what is a prism? It is also a triangular shape. Three triangles are inclined in such a way that they make this triangular bases in both the sides. Understood? Understood? They make triangular bases on both the sides. Here also, in the top view also there is a triangle. In the bottom view also there is a triangle. Earlier, the top was a pointed nose. Understood? This was a pointed nose for pyramid, and both are triangular faces in prism. Understood this one? Student, please comment. Yes? Okay. Now see. These are the basic shapes in a geometrical figure. I mean, three-dimensional geometrical figure. We only have these two shapes. बाकी जितने भी shapes हैं वो इसी के derivatives हैं. I can show you how. But उससे पहले तुमको ये समझना जरूरी है कि हमारे पास कितने shapes हैं? Pyramid और prism, दो ही shape. In geometry we have only two shapes, pyramid and prism. Three dimension, okay? So after that, when we say cuboid, ये सब इसी से आ जाएगा. कैसे आएगा? Now I have told you that in this pyramid, a pointed nose should be there, and a base of some shape will be there. Okay. In this case, that shape is triangle. Understood? Now, if the faces are three triangles, then we have a triangular base, right? But if the faces are four triangles like this. Four triangles. This is one triangle, this is one triangle, this is one triangle, and this is one triangle, right? Four triangles are inclined in such a way that now the base will be what? Square. Now the base is not a triangle because there are four faces of triangle, four triangular faces, and therefore we have a shape of base of the shape square. Understood? Suppose समझ में आया? Similarly, if we keep on increasing the faces, the triangular faces, again we have triangular faces on. So similarly, we can keep on increasing the number of triangular faces. That is, here in this case it is 5. 5 triangular faces we have. 5 triangular faces we have. So what will be the shape of the base? Shape of the base is obviously a pentagon because there are 5 sides. Understood? So shape of the base is a pentagon. तो ये तीनों ही cases जो मैंने दिखाया, a triangular base, a square base, and a pentagon base, or everything will be known as a pyramid. Of course, नाम अलग-अलग होगा. Like this one, the first one will be triangular pyramid. This one will be square pyramid because it has a square base. This one will be pentagonal pyramid because it is a pentagonal base. Understood? And now coming on to the prism, like I said, that there are 3 faces. I think I have said triangular faces. The prism does not have triangular faces. The prism have rectangular faces, and that is why we have 2 faces, 2 bases, like this one and this one. Earlier we had a pointed one and one base on it. Okay, the other part is pointed because it was triangle, but it is not triangle. This is rectangle. Understood? This is rectangle. This is another rectangle, and this is another rectangle. So 3 rectangles are there, and therefore the bases are triangular. This is a triangle, and again this is a triangle. Understood? So this is that pyramid, prism, which we can say we can name it as triangular prism. Triangular prism. This one is triangular prism. Now what if we increase the number of sides? When we increase the number of rectangular faces, this is one rectangular face, 2, 3, and 4, right? So what will be the base? What will be the base here? What will be the base here? Please comment. This base will be a square. Yes, this base will be a square. Again, this side also we have a square. So this is called square prism because it has a square base. Now this square prism is also known as स्क्वायर प्रिज्म. क्या समझ में आ रहा है स्क्वायर प्रिज्म क्या है? ये स्क्वायर प्रिज्म क्या है समझ में आ रहा है? तो इस स्क्वायर प्रिज्म को भी हमने एक दूसरा नाम दिया है. इन आवर मेंसुरेशन वी हैव डन दैट पार्ट. स्क्वायर प्रिज्म को ही हमने एक दूसरा नाम दिया है. कोई बता सकता है इसका दूसरा नाम क्या हो सकता है? इस शेप को देखो और बताओ क्या नाम है इसका. एनीवन? क्यूब? नो, नॉट क्यूब एक्चुअली, क्यूबॉइड. गुड. So this is just a cuboid. So cuboid is nothing but a square prism. अब तुमको समझ में आया कि why we have only 2 shapes. हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 ही शेप है. इसी से सारे शेप निकल के जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? So let us imagine that this rectangular faces in this case was 4, right? So now let us say the rectangular faces are 5. So what will be the shape of the base? 2 bases here because this is a prism, right? Prism have 2 bases, top and the bottom. So what will be the shape of the top and the bottom faces? Because we have 5 rectangular faces in the front. So what will be the shape here? That will be pentagon. Very good, pentagon. So this is a pentagon. I hope you can see this is a pentagon, and this is also a pentagon. Understood? So this is known as pentagonal prism. This is a pentagonal prism. This was a square prism because it is a square prism. Now, cuboid और cube दोनों ही square prism है. Why? See, cuboid और cube दोनों ही square prism क्यों है? Because it's just that cube और cuboid में इतना ही फर्क है कि ये जो rectangle है, ये वाला जो rectangle है, the face one, that उसका dimension will be equal to this square. this square will have the same dimension of this rectangle. Okay, when these two are same, we name it cube, not cuboid. But it is in terms of prism, both are square prism because the bases are square. The name is given as per the base, right? So this is a square prism, this is a triangular prism, and this is a pentagonal prism. I hope you understood this one. Now, अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, मैं प्रिज्म से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. मुझे एक बात बताओ, मैंने यहाँ पे एक रेक्टेंगल रखा, तीन रेक्टेंगल रखा, तो मेरे पास ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म बना. मैंने चार रेक्टेंगल रखा, तो मेरे पास स्क्वायर प्रिज्म बना. मैंने पांच रेक्टेंगल रखा, तो मेरे पास पेंटागन बना. 6 रखूंगा तो हेक्सागन बनेगा, 7 रखूंगा तो सेप्टागन बनेगा, ऑक्टागन, नोनागन, लाइक दैट. But what if I make the number of sides? What if I make the number of sides infinite? What will be the shape if I make the number of sides infinite? Number of sides of the base somehow. Just imagine. क्या होगा? अगर infinite हो गया तो क्या होगा? कोई बता सकता है? Yes, it will become a circle. It will become a circle. And when we have two circle at the bases, the shape is known as what? The shape is known as what? Cylinder. Very good. Cylinder. So समझ में आया ये? Cylinder is a type of prism. Cylinder is derived from prism. और हम लोग cylinder के बारे में बहुत कुछ पढ़ चुके हैं. So basically everything we have learned. Yes, I hope everyone has seen that video. So this prism, this cylinder is a type of prism only. Similarly, what if we make this number of triangle infinite here, and this base will be a circle. Obviously, base will be a circle. What will be the name of this shape? Anyone? What will be the name of the shape when this circle will be infinite and the shape is something like this? The circle will be infinite. दिख रहा है क्या shape होगा ये? बताओ फटाफट. Anyone? This circle will be infinite. This sides will be infinite, so the bases will be circular, and the shape is like this. Yes, it is cone. It is cone. Understood? This is a cone in which we have a circular base and a pointed base. Other end is pointed. So this is a cone. So cone is a type of, we can say, pyramid. Cone is a type of pyramid. Understood everyone? Now, एक और चीज है यहाँ पे. So this is a square, right? And these are the rectangles. So we can say that it is nothing but a what? Prism. This is the shape of a prism. Of course, we can say it is a cuboid, but it is a cuboid is a type of prism. ठीक है? अब इसमें अगर हम सारे साइड्स को इधर से भी सारे साइड्स को इन्फिनिट करें और इधर से भी सारे साइड्स को इन्फिनिट करें, ये 1 2 3 इसमें समझने के लिए इजी होगा. देखो ये चार साइड है, यहाँ पे भी हमने इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ साइड कर दिया तो ये सर्कुलर हो गया, और साथ में ये चार साइड है कि नहीं, दिस वन 1 2 3 4, ये भी तो चार साइड है. इसको भी अगर हम इनफाइनाइट कर दे तब जब हमको जो शेप मिलेगा दैट विल बी ए स्फीयर. आई होप एवरीवन हैव watched a sphere before, right? Yes, sphere. तो सबको पता है स्फीयर क्या होता है, कैसा होता है. So this sphere is derived from a prism or we can say a pyramid. So sphere को हम भले ही उससे डिराइव किए हैं, लेकिन हम इन दोनों में से किसी में भी नहीं रख सकते इसको, क्योंकि इससे भी स्फीयर बना सकते हैं हम, इससे भी स्फीयर बना सकते हैं. If we increase the number of triangles in a pyramid to infinite, then also we can make a sphere. And if we increase the number of rectangles in the prism to infinite, then also we can make a sphere. So sphere को इन दोनों में से किसी भी रखना सही नहीं रहेगा, इसको अलग से रखो. And we know that if we cut this sphere into half, then what will be the shape? What will be the shape? That will be a what? Hemisphere. Okay, this will be a hemisphere. So this was the thing I needed to discuss with you. Okay. Okay, this is the cube. As I have told you that if the side, if this side, the rectangular side of the prism is equal to this side, the dimensions are equal, then it will become a cube like this. Understood? So there is no difference in both of them. It's just the dimensions are same in this case, and dimensions are different in this case. So this is known as cuboid. This is known as cube. But both the shapes are actually square prism. Okay, because the bases are square and the names are given as per the shape of the base. So now we can start our chapter. After this discussion, when we see anything from a point of view, that point of view is known as front view. Okay, this is called front view. Hemisphere or semisphere, both are same. Semisphere, in some books it is known as semisphere, but in NCERT it is known as hemisphere only. Okay. So this is the front view, that is the top view. Okay. If you take any shape like this one, if you take any shape, this is the front view, that is a rectangle. This is the top view. Okay, this is the top view, that is a square, and this is the side view. And when we see that, this is the side view, this is also a rectangle. In this case, this is also a rectangle, not everywhere. So this top view, side view, you can do in question in exercise 10.1, question number 1. Okay, don't do it on a book. Don't destroy the book here itself. Okay, next year भी बच्चों को देना होता है book को, जितना हो सके books donate करो. Books donate करना is the best form of donation. So please book को बंदा मत करो, कॉपी में करो. कॉपी में डायग्राम बनाने का जरूरत नहीं है, but at least तुम ये लिख सकते हो कि A arrow 3 arrow 3 और ऊपर टॉपिक दे दिया ऑब्जेक्ट, साइड व्यू एंड टॉप व्यू, like that. At least you can do it like this. Object, top view, side view. Right? Now this is A 3 and this is 3. Understood? So this is how you can do it. Don't destroy the book, please. So question number 2 भी same है, 2 में भी वही करना है. Question number 3 भी same है. बस question number 3 में there are some shapes. In question number 3 you have to draw the diagram in the book, in the copy. Okay, there are some shapes given, something like this. Okay, ऐसा कुछ दिया हुआ है, ऐसा टाइप का डायग्राम दिया हुआ है. Now what we need to do, we need to check which is the top view. So first one is the top view. Yes or no? Second one is the front view. And third one is the side view. इसमें दोनों सेम है, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. वो सिर्फ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में सेम है, हमेशा सेम नहीं होगा. ठीक है? So you need to check there. Again in the fourth also we need to see which one is the first top view, which one is the side view, which one is the front view. Okay. Now exercise 10.2. 10.2 is the graph, is the map. Okay, this map is very important actually, but of course in class 8 exam point of view से बिल्कुल भी important नहीं है. ऐसा कोई मैप, कोई भी मैपिंग करने के लिए नहीं आएगा एग्जाम में. हाँ, एक चीज है, वो डायरेक्ट इनवर्स का क्वेश्चन में आता है कि अगर 1 सेंटीमीटर को हम 1000 किलोमीटर माने तो फिर इतना सेंटीमीटर कितना किलोमीटर होगा, like that. So this is a question of direct inverse. It is not a question of mapping. So mapping में mostly ऐसे क्वेश्चन ही आते हैं जो कि direct inverse के हैं. 10.2 में although it is very much important, but it is not important from your exam point of view. Maps पढ़ना and map reading is very much important. So मैं तुम लोगों को suggest करूँगा कि draw the map of your school. Okay, and most important is scale. मैप कोई भी बना देगा, मैप कोई भी बना देगा, कोई बड़ा बात नहीं. Scale is important. You need to see that 1 सेंटीमीटर में तुम कितना मीटर लाना चाह रहे हो. ठीक है? अगर स्कूल का प्रॉब्लम है, स्कूल का बनाने में, क्योंकि स्कूल बहुत बड़ा है, उसको स्केल करना थोड़ा इतना easy नहीं है, then at least do it for your house. For your house. अपने घर का भी अगर मैप तुम लोग प्रॉपर्ली बना सकोगे, then you will get every idea कि मैपिंग क्या होता है. What is mapping? What kind of things are to be taken care of while reading a map. उतना काफी है और ज्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is not at all important from your exam point of view, but map reading आना चाहिए किसी को भी. Okay. Next, 10.3, which we will do in our copy properly. 10.3. So 10.3, for 10.3 we have a formula which is known as what? Anyone? Okay, so all these shapes are known as polyhedron. Okay, like we had polygon. Polygon means many number of sides with 2D. Yes, polyhedron means many number of faces with 3D. Okay, and all the polyhedron follow a formula which is called Euler's formula. Okay, we have a formula which is called Euler's formula. That is F plus B is equal to E plus 2. Okay, faces plus vertices is equal to edges plus 2. ये हमेशा फॉलो करेगा. अगर ये फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है तो तुम वैसा 3-dimensional शेप नहीं देख सकते. ठीक है, it is not possible to obtain such kind of 3-dimensional shape. So, can a polyhedron have for its faces 3 triangles? 3 triangle के faces polyhedron में हो सकते हैं? Yes or no? Please comment. क्या हुआ स्टूडेंट्स? प्लीज कमेंट. पॉलीहेड्रन अभी तक मैंने जितने भी शेप्स दिखाए उसके हिसाब से. नो. यस. व्हाई नो? बिकॉज़ जो मैंने सबसे छोटा शेप दिखाया था दैट वाज दिस वन. That was this one. In this we have 4 faces. This is one face. This is one face. This is one face, and the base is one face. Understood? So there are minimum of 4 faces. There are minimum of 4 faces in a polyhedron. Okay, you will write it like that. Now 4 triangles. Of course, this is a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. So this is that shape we are talking about. Okay. Next, a square and 4 triangles. A square and 4 triangles. Yes. The square pyramid is square and 4 triangles. So this is also yes. Is it possible to have a polyhedron with any given number of faces? With any given number of faces. क्या होगा इसका? So this is the smallest face, right? हमने ये बोला था अभी कि this is the smallest polyhedron. So just describe this shape. If you describe this shape, that will be the answer of this question. Yes, it is possible. It is just that we need 4 faces at least. Okay, we need 4 faces at least. That is enough. Now, which of the following are present? So, as I told you, the difference between pyramid and prism. This is your homework. 4th, how are prism and cylinders alike? So that was the point I was explaining, that a prism can be a cylinder. How? Because when we increase the number of sides, then it will become a cylinder. When we increase the number of sides, it will become a cylinder. Okay. Johan second is also a prism. Okay. Yes, infinite number of faces, not sides. Okay, faces. So similar answer is to be given for question number 4, second part. And fifth question, is a square prism same as cube? No. See, square prism is not same as cube. Cube is same as square prism. Okay, there's a difference. All the cubes are square prism. All the cubes are square prism. No doubt. But all the square prism are not cube because there are cuboid also. There are cuboid also. There are pentagonal. No, there are cuboid also. So we cannot say that all the square prism are cube. That is not correct. So they are asking square prism is same as cube or not. So square prism is same as cube only if all the dimensions are equal. That is one way of answering this. Or we can say no, all the cubes are not. All the cubes are square prism. All the square prism are not cubes. Understood? इसका आंसर में नो भी लिख सकते हैं, यस भी लिख सकते हैं. नो और यस से फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. फर्क पड़ेगा एक्सप्लेनेशन से. अगर तुम लिख रहे हो yes that square prism is same as cube, only if you have to write only if all the dimensions are equal. अगर तुम लिख रहे हो no, then you can write it square prism, all the square prism are not cubes, all the cubes are square prism. Understood my point? Next question, they are asking us to verify the this Euler's formula, and as I have told you that if the shape is given there, that means Euler's formula valid होगा ही होगा. ठीक है, Euler's formula invalid नहीं हो सकता. Faces दिया है, shape दिया है. So we have this Euler formula. Now faces. How many faces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 faces are there, right? And vertices are 5, 5, 10. Now we need to check what is the number of edges. What is the number of edges? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Edges are 15 plus 2. So this is 17. 17 is correct. Okay? Okay, understood? Video clear नहीं है, refresh करो अपना page को. Now see, in the next question, 6 का second part कर लेना. Just like that you have to always write the statements. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे explain करने के statements नहीं लिखवा रहा हूँ. तो मैंने देखा बच्चे copy paste statement नहीं लिखे. You have to write according to Euler's formula this. Then you will put everything. Then this, and then you will write verified. Okay, do it properly. I am just explaining here. I am not doing it for the marks. अगर marks चाहिए तो तुमको अच्छे से लिखना पड़ेगा. मुझे marks नहीं चाहिए इसलिए मैंने अच्छे से नहीं लिखा. मुझे चाहिए कि तुमको समझ में आए. That's it. Using Euler's formula, find the unknown. Okay, so faces we need to find out. Vertices is given 6 and edges are given 12 and plus 2. So this is 14 minus 6, that is 8, right? 14 minus 6, 8, yes. Understood? So like that you can easily find out. And last में बोला है can a polyhedron with 10 faces, 20 edges and 15 vertices is possible or not. So just find the Euler formula if everything is clear. If Euler formula is valid, then it is possible. If it is not valid, then it is not possible. और जो शेप तुमको बना के दिखा दे रहे हैं कि एक शेप है मेरे पास, तो उसमें तो वैलिड हो गई, ठीक है। यहाँ पे बना के नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि इतना 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 है, तो फिर बताओ वैलिड होगा कि नहीं। In that case, you will check. Understood? So I hope everything is clear. Is there any doubt? Or I'll stop this video here itself. Is there any doubt, students? Okay. So this is the end of this topic, this chapter. छोटा सा चैप्टर था, इसी सा था, एक दो क्वेश्चन आ जाता है, मोस्टली इसके ऊपर ही आता है, ठीक है। सो अच्छे से देख लेना। थैंक यू।